If we're good, then we're good. I like good. I like great. How about that? This is Rich Rodriguez, founder of Commercial Agent Academy, and I want to give you a special tour to a listing I got here. LA County, stand up. This is an industrial commercial property. A little bit about the property. It's sitting on about 11,000 square feet of land. Older building, built in the 50s. But there are some unique attributes to this property that make it very compelling. It's listed at $1.05 million, so $1,050,000. You have a wood frame, metal building. Since it is an older building, you have a lower height clearance. We're only at 12 feet here, which is not as appealing as a 16, 18, and newer buildings were up to 24, 32 feet high. But one special thing that this property has is the power supply. It has 400 amps, 480 volt, 3-phase. And for that simple factor, we attract a lot more buyers that are in manufacturing, distribution, that have heavy equipment that needs to be operated with that type of power supply. So these are things that are very important to know when you're at an appointment. You could establish trust with your client so that you could take listings like this and not miss out on any opportunities. I share this with you all because if you're ready to level up your business and start doing deals in the commercial space, right now is the time. Don't listen to all that nonsense where it's a bad market, this and that. My team and I are crushing it. Perfect example, deploying our marketing tactics that we have in-house. One of my team members was able to represent the buyer on this transaction. We're in escrow pending phase 1 and our appraisal. Once that's done, we have a done deal, okay? If you're ready to learn how you can do this for yourself, establish business in commercial real estate, create new relationships, tap in. We're here to help. I look forward to connecting. Send me a DM or hit the link in the bio.